Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today we're going to be opening a Peppa Pig family gift set, and there's 4 figures included. We got all the family over here, and you can see in the background we have the house, Peppa Pig's house, and at the back you can see all the sets you can collect. We're going to collect all of these sets, hopefully by the end of the year. And there's the figures included. Okay, let's open it up. And there's all the figures. Let's take each one out. Okay, we've opened up our figures, and here is all for the family. Now we already have most of these Peppa Pig, and we've already featured Peppa Pig in quite a lot of our videos, so we know who they are. First we have George. She is the little brother of Peppa Pig. Then next move up and down. Ooh! They're quite hard to move up and down, and that hand move as well. Then we've got Peppa Pig, who's the main character. We got a lot of Peppa Pigs. Maybe I'll update the collection very soon in a later video. Then we have Mummy Pig, and this is the first Mummy Pig that we have in the original. She has an orange dress. And finally we have Daddy Pig with his glasses. And that is the Peppa Pig family pack. And thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.